Hello guys, my name is Tixim, and today I'll be giving you a brief explanation about the app called MDSolids, which is also known as the Mechanics of Deformable Solid software. So you can download this on the web, and after you open up this app, you will see there are three tabs on the top of it. So the first one is the help document, the second one is the module, the third one is the animated learning tools. So with the help documents, you can read about different things in here. For example, the MDSolid, the overview of it. MDSolid is the software designed to assist students. Uh, it says there. You can also read about different things like the trust modules. You'll have it here, and there are many different varieties of things that you can read, which are in this app. What I want to show you next is the MDSolid modules. So this is where it's important because you can study how loads are affecting different structures or trusses. Let's say I want to create a truss. For example, I want to create a truss. So first, click on truss, and then to add new trusses, I just put new truss, click on new truss, and it'll show you a defined grid, truss grid over here, and you can set the XY coordinates or the length. So I'll just stick with 10. After that, you need to create the members of it. So this is me creating the different members of the truss right here. Just create, put this like this, 45-degree angle, another one and another one. This is connected to this here, connected to this. Just have it connect over here and connect over here as well. Let's say this over here. So what I've done is I have created the members of the truss. So after that, I need a support. So click on the support and support. You click on the member of the truss and you click on it and you drag. Okay, let's drag down. You see, if I drag it first, the first time I drag it, it'll become a roller support. But if I drag it and drag it down again, drag it to this way, it'll become a pin support instead. So I'll just have the pin support on the left side of the truss, and I'll have a roller support here. So after putting all the supports on it, let's say I want a load going downward over here of the magnitude of 5, enter load. And after that, if you want to add some other things, you can add, but here I just click compute and I can see that they name all the members for me, A, B, C, D, this and that, and the supports have the different loads affected on it. So for example, the support and the support as well, this one is the roller, this one is the pin, and you can also see that different members are experiencing the different magnitude of the load, and some are in compression and some are in tension. This is why it's important, because you can study and you can see this clearly without making any mistake, of course. So let's click back, and what I want to do next is to create a determined beam. So let me create a beam real quick. Oh, okay, it'll bring up this window. So you click on here, and the total length of the beam, let's say it's 20 meter. Let me change it to meter. So the first support would be 1, let's say. The other support is at the 20, x is equal to 20, which is over here. So after that, I'll need to create I need to put a load. If you want to put a concentrated load, you can click on this arrow. So let me just put a concentrate load going downward. The x, let's say the location of the x coordinate is 3, and the load magnitude is say 50 Newton. And if you click enter, in the beam diagram module, it'll show you the load that you just inserted, and below you'll see the shear and the moment diagram already drawn for you. In here you can also add let's say the uniform load as well. In here also, in here you can also add the moment. So I'll show you example of adding a uniform load of going upward. Let's say it's going upward, the x coordinate of let's say 10 to 15 meter, and the load magnitude, let's say it's 5 Newton per meter. And if I click enter, you'll see it. You'll see it on the diagram over here, and you can see how it's affected the previous diagram. It changes itself. This is important because it's fast. First of all, it's easy to do, everyone can understand about it, and you can see the different area that you can improve on. For example, you can understand the areas that experiences a lot of stress, so you can reinforce some of those areas. So besides that, there's another tab over here, which is called the animated learning. So in the animated learning, you can see, you can learn about different things over here. It's the title is self-explanatory. So first is the shear moment diagram, the rule of it. You can read about the rule of it, the section properties, the centroid rope, centroid master, and it has many more to the strain transformation. So you can click on open movie as well, and it has games and things in there. So that's it, I guess. That's it. Thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and I hope you understand a thing or two or something out of this. It's a very useful program for us engineering students, and we are bound to make less mistake if we use this app. And I hope that everyone would understand and try to use this app more and learn something from it. So thank you and goodbye.